You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these names once and for all correctly and clarify the pronunciation, including in Italian and in English. If you want to learn more names from music and Italy, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. Stradivari. Stradivari is the Italian pronunciation. In English, it's therefore Stradivari. Now, it comes from the singular is Stradivarius or Stradivarius. Both pronunciations are correct. Therefore, the plural can also be said in English as Stradivari. But Stradivari, if it's the name, the family from Italy, like Antonio Stradivari. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.